How to update the Binance application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Keeping your Binance app up to date ensures you have the latest features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and security enhancements. So in order to update the Binance app, open the Google Play Store or your App Store on your device. Now go to the bottom center and tap the search icon. In the search bar at the top, type in Binance. Once you search for the Binance app, open the Binance app from the app drawer and look if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, tap on it. If you don't see an update button, you are already using the latest version. This also works on your iPhone. Instead of Play Store, you'll need to open App Store and search for the Binance app and look for the update button. If available, tap on it. Once you do that, your latest version of Binance app will be downloaded, and once it does, you can use the latest features, improved performance, and the newest security updates in the Binance app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.